Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download best free games in your Windows or laptop. So let's dive in quickly to the process. First is we need to search Microsoft Store here at the bottom search bar. Let's type Microsoft Store. Once done, we need to scroll up and then select best match. Click that. And once you are being redirected here at the Microsoft Store, you can see here a lot of games and applications. It has this first category, best-selling games. And in our case, we'll be selecting top free games. So we'll be locating that by scrolling down. Okay, it has this top free games. As you can see, it has a lot of games here. It has this Roblox, Simple Solitaire, Microsoft Jigsaw. And if you want to see more, just hit the arrow here and it shows a lot more than that. So it has this Candy Crush Saga, Puzzle and Trivia, Microsoft Sudoku, and more. So in my case, I've downloaded already a game which is a solitary game, but today I'll be showing you how to download. So for example, we'll be downloading this Candy Crush Saga. Let's double click to expand. And as you can see, it has a lot of stars here, 4.1 stars, and many people have rated it already. It has this 232,000 ratings. So let's select get to download. Okay, just select the get here and it will be downloaded. So let's see the game that I've downloaded already, the solitaire. Let's locate that. Okay, here. Let's type solitaire. Let's select the best match. And now you can enjoy. You can hit the new game if you want to start the game and then hit play. And you can select the lot of options. It has this difficult, scoring, 3 card rule, hard, and just hit play. And now you can now play the game. You can also select options or settings. So that's it. I hope you enjoy and hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.